Let's go.
Hey guys, so it's Hannah. I am going to be leading you guys through a warm-up and a workout today. Our workout is going to be 5 rounds for quality, and then we're going to have an AMRAP of 10 minutes. But before we get that going, we're going to start with 3 rounds of 30 seconds of each of these exercises. Squat jacks for 30 seconds. Sprawls for 30 seconds. And then ski poles, shifting to the side for 30 seconds. And you're going to do that 3 times. After that, we have king squats. 10 of these guys, hinge, squat, hinge, stand. 10 Cossack squats, lunging to the side and to the other side. 10 windmills, reaching up each way. And then a 1-minute plank, either up on your hands or on your elbows. When you're done with the 1-minute plank, we have side plank hip taps. So the side plank hip taps, you'll get in your side plank, and you're gonna lift your hip up and tap the floor with your hip. 10 on one side, and then 10 on the other side. When you're done with that, we have 10 Scapula Push-ups, shrugging in and out, followed by 3 arm cars one way, and then the other way. And then you do that again on the other side. And reverse snow angels. And reverse snow angels, I'm gonna lay on my stomach, lift my arms and chest off the floor. My toes are on the ground. I'm gonna reach all the way around, hug my back with my hands, and then reach again, only 5 times. And we have tabletops. 10 tabletops, up and down. And our workout, again, after you're done with that little warm-up, our workout's going to be 5 rounds for quality of plank, single arm lifts to the front and to the side. I'm in plank, I'm gonna lift my arm up and to the side, 10 on one side, and then 10 on the other side. When I'm done with that, I have 6 Turkish get-ups, alternating, so 3 on one side and then 3 on the other. I'm going to have my same arm up, same leg, other arm up to the side, come up to my elbow. I'll have a weight in my hand, bend to my hand, hips up, legs slide through, lunge, stand, lunge, lean, legs slide through. Then you're gonna do that same thing again on the other side. When you're done with that, you have 20 push-ups. So 5 rounds of 10 plank arm lifts on each side, 6 Turkish get-ups, and 20 push-ups. When that is through, you have an AMRAP of 10 minutes of 10 prisoner squat jumps, hands behind the head. And you're gonna squat up and jump up 10 times. 10 tabletop runs, so you'll get in your tabletop and you'll run 1, 2 for 10 times, and then 20 hollow rocks, trying to get each vertebrae to hit the floor. If that's too hard, you can bend the knees and rock back and forth and bring your hands up. All right, enjoy and have fun.
Let's go.